just saying, oh, I didn't see you guys, so hello everyone. Let's make a game. I call it Try Not to Crash. So this is just a basic coding game. We use Scratch as usual. There. I'll show you step by step on how to make the game. So let's start. So we need to make these sprites first. So let's go to costumes. So I'll show you. This is a simple car just made by squares. Add colors there, there, and there. This is the police. I made two costumes, as in boom costume and regular costume, a police costume. This is an innocent car costume. So this is the residents, people, very innocent. This is basically you, okay? Just to make sure. This is another innocent car. And this is an innocent car with a caravan. So let's make the code first. So code it. Let's start with this code right here. I'll explain. If you want to make the game over, okay, you go to events. They won't be this, okay? Just saying. So look, you can press the game over. Okay. Press the game over and press. It's supposed to say not game over, message 1. Okay. Just press that and press new message. Then type your message. Then press OK. Okay. Once you're done, add this block. Put it there. Take the block, hide this block here, put it there, then take this switch backdrop 2. See, switch backdrop 2. Let's go to the backdrops. I'll tell you. The backdrops. I forgot to tell you the backdrops. You draw roads. Okay. So if you go really fast, it'll make you look like you're moving. This is backdrop 7, the game over. Okay. Okay. Make at least 6 backdrops for your road. Okay, this is its code, but we'll go there later. We'll focus on this right here. Put switch backdrop, then press stop all. Find stop all in the control. Okay, find stop all right here. See, the same. Press it, put it there. Okay, you done that? Let's go to the big code. Okay, oh yeah, didn't forget to add this code. You can get, yeah, just put this numbers here. So you take the events, add this here, motion, go to X. Okay, then add the number. This puts the position. So when you press this, the green flag, it will put it in a specific position. Okay, yeah. Here, these are the controls and other stuff. So get this button, one click here. Okay, go to looks, find the hide button. Actually, not hide, show. Okay. Then get the forever from control and put it there. Okay, get an if then. Okay, get an if then go to sensing. Okay, find key something space pressed basically. And pick your choice. If you're a WASD person, pick WANSD. But since it's up arrow, pick W if you want, or up arrow. Pick up arrow. Then most people for moving, they use steps. That is the basic, using steps. Move how many steps Okay, but change Y. This is changing the position. Makes it kind of more smoother. Okay, yep. See, this is the exact same code as the first one. Okay, as this first one. Make a second one, the down arrow. So you change Y. So you change this number by -10. There. Change this down arrow or S. If you're a different person, like WASD person. So now this is to the right and left. You change it, not Y, but X. Remember that. This is Y, this is X. So right arrow or D. Yes, that 10. Same. You're gonna see there. It's the same. Here. Left arrow or A, make it -10. Okay. So, just delete that. And put them all in the forever. Okay. First, let's take this out first. Okay. This is your code right here, your 4 codes. Stack them up like this. And this is your other code that you made. Put them in. There you go. Now, take this. Make this code. This is all the same code, okay? These 4 codes are the same. I'll teach you how to make it. So there. Sprite 3 is an innocent car here. Sprite 4 is another innocent car here. Sprite 5 is another innocent car here. But Sprite 2 is a police. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.